here I am, back with another English class. I'm sorry I haven't posted any videos before. Honestly, I didn't really know what to do. Why? Because learning English or improving your English is not just about learning the sentence structures and all the rules. The rules are not that complicated. Anybody can learn them easily. If you put your mind to it, you focus and you practice, you will learn and you will memorize, or you will know the rules in a relatively short time. But that does not mean that you will be speaking English or that you will be able to improve your English. What you need to do is to practice, but practice in your mind, okay? Practice with everyday things. You should know the rules, of course, but then try to apply them when you want to express yourself. And this does not happen if you're studying on the book, and then that's it. Because when you need to speak, you find yourself in the situation that many people find themselves in. I couldn't talk. I froze. I didn't know what to say. This usually happens because when you practice, you only practice on the paper or on the screen or on the book, okay? What you should do is, for example, I'm sitting here and that's already practicing. I am sitting here and I am talking to you. I usually do this once a month, okay? And here I'm practicing present continuous, simple present. I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while, present perfect, okay? But with things that are happening around you, that is how you should practice. And yesterday, that is the past. I don't remember. Here I go to the book, okay? I review the rules, maybe. And then yesterday, I went to visit a friend, okay? This is the way you should really practice. Anyway, that being said, today we're going to talk about present continuous and the continuous tenses. Now, what does this continuous mean? When I say continuous, I'm thinking about an action with movement, okay? Like this video, in comparison with a video and a picture. A picture, a static thing, could be something like simple present. And the video, which is moving, is present continuous, okay? Or something that is continuous. The rule says that I use present continuous for temporary actions, not permanent actions. Permanent actions is simple present. So, if it's temporary actions, it's something that's happening right now. I am talking to you, my friends. It is something that is happening around now, but not necessarily. For example, I am reading a very interesting book. This is temporary because at one point I'm going to finish the book and that's it. Oops. And if it's a developing action, I could also use it to talk about things that are developing. For example, a trend. Prices are increasing. Okay? Temperatures are dropping. This is a trend. I'm speaking about the development of something. Now, pay attention, students. All continuous tenses have something in common. That is, number one, the verb is always in the present participle. That means with the ing ending, talking, reading, sleeping, speaking, eating, etc. And number two, all continuous tenses have a form of the verb to be. Always. So if it's present continuous, I am talking. If it's past continuous, I was talking. If it's future continuous, I will be talking. If it's present perfect continuous, I have been talking. Okay? Those are the rules. But remember, knowing the rules does not mean that you will be better or that you will improve your English. Okay? You have to work with this together. The rules, common sense, and real practice. Forget about the book. Forget about the notebook. That is just to review. Okay? And to perhaps write things down. This is very important. You get your notebook and write things down. Something that happens to you every day, something that happens to you yesterday, something that you thought about. It doesn't matter. This is the way that you can practice expressing yourself. Because out there who want to improve your English, I'm sure that the first reason or the main reason is to improve your employment potential, okay, your career potential, okay, to further your career, to get better and to have more opportunities and possibilities. If this is your goal, then you need to be able to express yourself. This is not about translating, okay? It's not about reading, translating, copy, paste. Any algorithm could do that. And in the near future, any free app on your phone will do that. We do not need human beings for that. You need to improve your English so you can express yourself. And this is something that no machine can do for you. Okay? So practice is very important. The rules are key. If you don't know the rules, you can't do anything correctly. But the most important thing is to be able to express yourself and do it in English, not a translation, speaking your native language with English words. Okay, I think I've said enough. I haven't spoken in a long time and now I'm speaking. Okay, we're going to do some practice on paper, watch the question, etc. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, thanks guys. Let's get to work. Okay guys, I've prepared this little exercise, present continuous, question forms. Before we start, let's do a little review. Continuous forms, always a form of the verb to be, the verb with the ing ending. Since this is present continuous, the form of the verb to be will be I am, you are, he is, she is, etc. So, as an example, I am talking. Now, question forms. There are two forms of questions. Yes or no questions, where the answer is yes or no, and that would be auxiliary plus subject plus the verb. So in our little example, it would be something like this. Auxiliary, are, subject,
you talking? And that's the question. The answer would be, yes, I am. Now, if I want to make a more specific question, all I have to do is put the question word first. Question word. For example, what, where, when. Okay, I am going to use the question word. Why are you talking? And that is the question form. Not just for present continuous, but for all verb tenses. Okay, let's get into the exercise. This is a dialogue between two people. Jan is in Australia, I believe, and Sue is in Spain. They import foods, olive oil, and things like that. And Sue is in Spain looking for suppliers. And she's working with a local agent whose name is Miguel. So what you have to do is get the verbs in the box, put them in the present continuous, and in the question form. So I'm going to do a few for you, and you'll do the rest. The first one says, Jan, it's Sue here. Good afternoon from Spain. Hello, Sue. Are you enjoying your trip? He uses the verb enjoy. It's a yes or no question. She answers, yes, I am. Miguel is introducing me to a lot of new contacts. Ah, Miguel, your new agent. A good job? Yes, an excellent job, she replies. She says, yes, it's a yes or no question. We're talking about a job, a good job, an excellent job. What is the associated verb? Don't say work, because the verb is do. A job is something that you do. So the question here is he doing a good job? She says, yes, an excellent job. So, where from? She answers, I'm in Seville. Now, I've done this exercise with many, many, many students. And most of the times, they get it wrong. For some reason, you see the question word where, from, and you go to visit. But this makes no sense. Where are you visiting from? I'm in Seville. No. So remember, all of these words in the box, they are verbs. And phone is not only a noun, it is also a verb. So, where are you phoning from? I'm in Seville. Oh, Seville. Who? Okay. The rest I leave up to you. Any doubts, any questions? Send me a message, post a note. I'll answer it. Thanks.
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the time to start improving your English. Okay? Summer's gone, vacations are gone, it's a new year. Let's give it all we got. So hang in there, work hard, and remember, it's about you. What you feel, what you think, what you are. Do this in English. Translating text, remember, any application can do that. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.